Today we're installing a custom fit seat cover set on this Hyundai Sonata, and we're jumping right into it. We're starting with the front seat, and as simple as it might look on camera, getting a seat cover to fit right is all about the details. We've been building and installing seat covers for years, and one thing we've learned is that fitment is everything. Anybody can throw a loose universal cover over a seat, but making it look like it actually belongs there takes time, patience, and a good pattern. Right now we're working on the seat bottom, which is one of the most important parts of the install. This is where the foundation gets set. If the bottom isn't positioned correctly, everything else becomes harder later. This strap, you can hook it underneath somewhere. This little hook right here. Smash that down on. You can take this underneath and hook it, but you really don't need to. Same thing on the other side. So we do got this hook right here. We're gonna pull it to the back and then hook it underneath somewhere. Now we're about to take all the straps and push them in. That's why over the years we've continued improving and refining our seat covers. Every install gives us feedback. Every customer helps us learn something new. And every vehicle gives us another opportunity to make the next set even better. One thing I love about interior customization is how dramatic the transformation can be. You don't have to buy a new car to make it feel new again. Sometimes upgrading the interior is all it takes to completely change the driving experience. Think about it. The seats are what you see every single day. They're what you touch every time you get in the vehicle. So when the seats look better, the entire vehicle feels better. As we're working through this Hyundai Sonata, you can already start seeing the difference. The lines are cleaner, the material looks fresh, and the interior is starting to take on a completely different personality. And it's funny because most people only see the finished product. They don't see all the little adjustments that happen during the install. They don't see the time spent making sure every seam is straight, every strap is secure, and every panel is sitting exactly where it should. Those small details are what separate an average install from a professional one. We've worked on everything from classic cars and trucks to luxury vehicles and daily drivers. But the goal never changes. We want the finished product to look like it belongs in the vehicle. Not like an accessory, not like an afterthought. Like it came that way from the factory. The Hyundai Sonata is a great platform for a transformation like this because it's already a comfortable vehicle. Adding a custom interior just takes it to another level. We're getting close to finishing up this front seat, and the difference is already noticeable. The fit is coming together, everything is tightening up nicely, and it's starting to show exactly why taking your time during an install matters. Stick around because after this we'll continue working through the rest of the vehicle and show you how the transformation comes together from front to back. I know you're enjoying this install video, but I want to take a quick 30-second commercial break before we get into the rear seats. The seat covers you're seeing in this video are from Exclusive Covers USA. We offer custom fit seat covers for many classic cars, modern vehicles, imports, and luxury cars. You can choose from multiple materials like leatherette, suede, and cloth, along with different colors and stitching styles like diamond stitching and hexagon stitching. We also offer LED piping seat covers and even starlight insert seat covers for a next level interior upgrade. Our seat covers also work with heated and cooled seats, so you still keep all your factory features. If you want to upgrade your interior like this, check out the link in the description to see the different options available. Now let's get back to the install. All right, for the rear seat, the first thing you're going to do is take the bottom up. Most times it just come up by pressure. Sometimes the tabs right here. So before you just pull it up and break something, first you feel, I'm not feeling no tabs, so let me try to pull it up. Yep, so just pull up. All right, something else is stopping. So now we're gonna look and see if there's any screws that go here. So I had to push it back, then pull it up. So it goes back and then up. When I was under there, I seen a little hook. Yeah, this hook thing, I think it was hooking into this piece right here, if I'm not mistaken. Somewhere it was hooked into, but I seen it needed to go back. All right, so now we're about to do the bottom. I started removing these. You just slide forward. I've got them too, but I'm not the one standing around not knowing what to do. All right, basically, I took this strap and this strap and stuffed it right here. I just put my finger through the foam. So if I do the same thing on the other side, so you're gonna take it and come back here and here and just make a little hole in the foam. There you can see my finger. That's what we're gonna put the straps through. And then after that, you see I tied them together. I'm gonna go do the other side.
I've been waiting all year for my Christmas gifts, making a list. Shiny, wrapped up in a bow, something just for me. Baby, you're my wish. What my heart is longing for now, what I really want to see, what I really want underneath my Christmas tree. Getting caught up in the spirit, knowing that it's
We got these last two hooks. We're gonna take these and hook them together.
singing the old carols by candlelight. Roasting chestnuts on the
We're gonna do the lean back. First thing we're gonna do is undo the zipper.
just feels right. So right, 'cause Santa always comes at night. I've been waiting on this Sunday glow since last New Year's Eve. 'Cause Santa always comes at night. Santa always comes at night. Moonbeams in late December always make me believe. 'Cause Santa always comes at night. Santa always comes at night. Soon now you won't be the one.
We're pretty much gonna reach in here.
When Santa comes, seeing visions of Tiffany boxes, blue and turtle doves.
This is this Velcro.
Underneath the starry sky,
You're gonna Velcro this to the bottom
with your hand in
of the seat.
mine, feeling like it's gonna
You gotta pull it real tight.
that my wish is coming true. I know that I'll be spending Valentine's with you, singing the old carols by candlelight, roasting chestnuts on the open fire. Every little thing with you just feels
All right, so we're gonna take out this bolt right here. It's a 12 millimeter.
so right, 'cause Santa always comes at night. I've been waiting
Okay.
on this
Now this side should
since
lift up.
last New Year's Eve. 'Cause Santa always comes at night. Santa always comes at night. Moonbeams and late
Okay, for this piece, we don't want to take it all the way out the car because we got the seat built. So we're gonna wrap that inside the car, put it right back into place.
I've been waiting on this sunset glow since last New Year's
All right, so I just
Eve.
tied the
Santa
straps
always
up.
comes at night. Santa always comes at night.
Get the bungee right there. I'm gonna go and put it back into place.
I've been waiting on this Sunday glow since last New Year's Eve. 'Cause Santa always comes at night. Santa always comes at night.
And just like that, this interior is completely transformed. If you enjoyed this install and want to see more seat cover transformations, check out the video on the left side of your screen next. We've got installs on everything from daily drivers to classics, trucks, and SUVs. If you're not subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button because we've got a lot more custom builds coming. And before you go, drop a comment below and let me know what vehicle we should work on next. I'll see you in the next one.